Everybody, my name is Jason Berger. I'm the construction product line manager here at Coyote. I'm standing here next to the TL750 compact track loader. This is our newest line of equipment that we're showing here at the show. This unit here is actually a prototype. We've got a skid steer unit and a track loader unit running 74 horse. This lifts about 2,300 pounds, so it's a very popular size machine, medium frame size machine. Vertical lift arms, so you can dump into those high-sided trucks, high-sided hoppers, etc. And we're showing a lot of folks what we have to offer, so I thought we'd show you guys what we have to offer here as well. Standing in front of the cab, I like to start here with what our machine has to offer from a comfort perspective. As you can see, we have a roll-up door, so you can get in and out of the cab very easily. This has been a common comment from the customers. They're very excited that we have this style of door. They also comment on how wide the cab is. They're very excited about how wide this cab is. A lot of space in there, a lot of foot room as well. So a lot of great compliments. Joystick controls, they are ISO joysticks. And we have a monitor in the front that has a rear view camera that's integrated into the monitor. So you can see what's going on behind your machine when you're backing up. It also has service codes, notifications for service reminders, etc. So it's a very intuitive system. There's a lot going on in this cab, comfortable seat, a lot of good comments so far. Moving on to some of the features in the front here, you see a lot of steel. That was another compliment that we've been receiving from the customers here at the show. There's a lot of protection in steel that's built into the design of this machine, so there's a lot of robustness. Customers are very impressed with how rugged this machine looks with some of the features that we've designed into it. So a lot of ruggedness. As you move on to the side of the machine, not a lot of exposed hoses. There's a lot of routing that we did to limit the possibility of snags or getting a hose snagged when you're working around some materials that might get in to the undercarriage, tucked behind the arm as well. So we've done a great job with hose routing. As you move to the back of the machine, you'll see the same standard LED lights in the front as you do in the back. That's been another compliment, that we have front and rear standard LED lights along with standard 2-speed. So you make your way around the back, you get that great LED light again, but the serviceability is really what stands out in the back of the machine. So as you lift the rear hatch and you start to open up the tailgate, you take off a couple bolts and you can swing the radiator out, and we've got a lot of great access in the back for easy serviceability. A lot of the things that I've been talking about with people at the show are how we've pulled a lot of the components to the back of the machine. They're easy to reach, they're easy to service. Even some of the common components you see underneath the machine, under the seat, under the cab, we've pulled those to the back as well. So very serviceable, very easy to get to all those common components. And that's another thing that customers have been happy with as well. So a lot of the customers have been asking questions about what kind of attachments, what's your auxiliary flow rates, etc. Because there's a lot of different things that these machines can do around the farm. These are really the Swiss Army knife, I guess, of equipment. And so we've talked a little bit about the flow rates. We're targeting for top of class with flow rates, so people have been very impressed with the attachment capabilities of this, with the hydraulic horsepower. They've been impressed. And so with the different types of jobs that they do, they've been very happy. We've talked about some of the testing that we've done on this machine in dairy farms, and talked about some of the testing that we've done that's gone over the ruggedness of the machine, how it's lasted. We've had one machine that's had 1,400 hours in a dairy farm. We've talked about all the struggles that the machines go through in those kind of applications, and it's held up very well. This is a great farm hand for you. For more information, check us out online at coyote.com and peruse the website, find your dealer, etc., and come check us out there.